Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to my live. Happy Tuesday, everyone. So happy trading. So always I wanted to start the live with a cautious. So just do your own analysis. Whatever the explanation which I'm making is my own prediction and analysis. If you wanted to make trade, just do your own analysis. And also invest only if you want to the amount which you afford to lose actually. So it's always the caution. Right. So what's happening in the market? So it's a positive sign right now. So a few minutes back itself, I have seen the market was struggling to give a breakthrough on the resistance mark. So this is a resistance which is keep on struggling to give a breakthrough for the BTC. So if you're new to like trade, so actually if you're new to cryptocurrency, just tell me in the comment section so that I can tell you how to start your trade and how you can make some more a better profit from the market. சரி கோ ஹாய் பேசவே இல்லையா இப்ப பேசிட்டேனா லைவ் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க என்ன டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கோ தாராளமா கேட்கலாம் so I can explain both in English as well as Tamil. So people who are interested to know about the market, please feel free to ask in the comments. Right. So before entering into the topic today, I wanted to share some more gifts for the users who are watching the stream. Actually, it's every day. We'll do the same, right? So just wait for the gifts. Then we'll continue to talk about the market today because within a 10 to 5 to 10 minutes the BTC was more in a positive level. So I think the investment for the Bitcoin is increased, which is we expect the whale activity is from the US government side. I'm not exactly sure, but I think this is an initiative from that positive, which I'm seeing right now. So just to hold the moment, we'll also continue to discuss about more today. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, yes. So I think I added the gifts for the user on exchanges. So, guys, if you interested to start trade, I will give you many tips. So, if you have any questions, you can also check out the description as well. If you wanted to trade, you can check out me on the description. I have provided all the details on the description too. So, right, what's happening in the market today? So the positive sign we have seen right now, because it struggled a lot to break here the resistance. Actually, 108.7, it struggled a lot, but within a 5 to 10 minutes, I have seen it was touched the position of 110.5, which is the difference is too high, right? So even BTC is a highly volatile that we everyone knows, and this was happened so suddenly, and the volume you can see the volume is too big. So, if the volume is big enough, we can also see that the possibility of uptrend is good. So, I think even if it's a negative, BR or bull, whatever it might be, if you notice a big volume, then it's going to happen. Yeah. So in a positive trend, we have noticed the bigger volume. So most probably you can see that the in a positive manner. Yeah. So this is for the BDC. Let's move on to the Ethereum. So because we can analyze all kind of tokens today, coins and tokens, some more meme, everything we can discuss. So for the Ethereum, you can see it also found the support today, 3,840. So this is support for the Ethereum. And what's happening right now is actually we notice a buying pressure when the BTC turns a positive. BTC gets a buying pressure. We also it also reflected on the Ethereum. So I have seen such positivity towards Ethereum, and which also going to reflect other altcoins and meme coins. And as well, we are waiting for the alt season, isn't it? So everyone get to know we are waiting for the alt season. So how the all season is gonna be, that I will also try to explain you how the all season is going to be, because all season is a place where everyone, the spot traders, can get a big amount of profit, and that is what people are waiting for actually. Waiting in the sense, recently we can see that the market was fluctuated a lot, so high volatility, which everything has happened because of the futures trade. And many news is also around, even though people who are making the futures trade with a high leverage, everything is getting liquidated. So that is a reason for that more deep. So we can also find the supports right now. So my suggestion for you guys is don't go with the futures trade. If you have some very lesser amount, just invest in a spot, that's more enough. And you can also choose the exchange where you can trade with the that which means you'll get more rewards while trading. Like if you trade for everywhere, you can see such kind of gifts you get while you start trade. You'll get the future bonuses. So from the bonuses you can take trade on the futures, because it's not your money actually. So those are the futures bonuses you're gonna get from the exchanges, and those are really helpful for the beginners to make your trading position. And it's of course a risk free, because you're not investing your money, but if you get the money from that trade, and that's your actually a profit. Yeah. So a profit in the sense, that futures may be closed in 24 hours, and likewise there will be a condition for your vouchers. Okay, so make sure to start your trade with the spot. Okay, if you wanted to trade in a futures, just make sure you're using a 5x or less than 3. So which is very important, because if you exit that, then you may get into trouble actually. Yeah, I hope you understood. Hey, welcome 300. Hi, double A H. Hi, bro. VHA, hello. Thank you for joining. Glad to meet you, everyone. Guys, if you have any queries, that feel free to ask me. I will let you know the answers for your questions. Yeah. And also tell me, guys, how was Diwali celebration? If you guys are celebrated worldwide, people celebrated Diwali, and still it's continuous. People are doing that is still they are crackers are posting. So yeah. All right. So, along with this BTC and Ethereum, we also wanted to know about the other altcoins and meme coins, isn't it? So, altcoins, I wanted to share you some more altcoins, but those are not for sure in this alt season whether it is going to reach positive or not. I'm not sure, but even though I wanted to tell you a few more stuffs because the new investors into the crypto market, they might get to aware about what are the coins available. So as well, I've already started to discuss many time about those stuffs. I will let you know. So in my search itself you can find, like here you can see world liberties, because it's recently it was dropped a lot. Why? Because the BTC was in a downtrend. We have seen many coins into the bottom. So these are the right time to go for the investment, that you can enter the long position with the spot. So I usually get into this world liberty finance and Lunak. So Lunak is also one of my holding. So and Baby Doggy as usual, but Baby Doggy is not that much gain the traction this time. Pepe, so everyone favorite, but this time my favorite is when compared to Pepe and Bonk, my favorite is turned to a Bonk side, because Pepe is still needs more community performance actually. So I have not seen as like a ship again. Yeah, shib also in the previous all season it was performed very well. In previous all season itself we have expected the ship to reach out the $1, right? So but this time I'm expecting the ship to perform so well. Yeah, let me check out and focus on it. Yeah. So these are in my holdings, guys. So whatever the coins you're seeing in this list, those are in my holdings actually. So let's wait and see how the market is gonna perform when the BTC is in a positive. So that is one major thing we wanted to know. So along with this stuff, some meme coins and altcoins, everything plays a major role. While if it's a alt season, yeah. And also I wanted to share you some more it's all about the hot topics today. Hot topics, that is very important to discuss about the hot topics, that you guys get to know what's happening in the market, and what kind of stuffs are expected. Everything is get to oh sorry, yes. Yeah, so get to know before the all season was started. So already it started, but still we have such expectations apart from the specific tokens. So let's move on. And if you're investing, just make your own analysis, which is always my all-time advice for you guys. And if you're a beginner, if you don't know how to trade that, you can feel free to ask me. I'm here to tell you. DSR, hey, welcome, bro. SMS, hi, welcome back. It seems nice. Okay. So, what are the hot topics we are gonna discuss today, guys? Do you have any idea about the hot topics? I have certain hot topics today to share with you. And if you are still looking for that any coins which in a bottom, everything is in a bottom right now. Okay, so if you are looking my watching the stream right now, you might invest into the coin which is your favorite, or you can go with some more meme coins or some more altcoins, which is specifically that I have certain suggestions for you, that if you need that you can ask, then I will share it. Okay, because this is an opportunity for everyone to that is communicate with me and I will try to share as much I can. Okay, so first, the hot topic today I wanted to share is all about the fear and greed index at 34. Our market's still in a fear mode. But right now, it was get to change a little bit. Still, there is a fear mode. Why? Because we have the resistance so shortly. We have the sellers so strongly here. So which also makes us to fear actually. So today's fear and greed index rose slightly to 34, but it remains in the fear zone, which also showing that the traders are still cautious about entering the market despite some recovery in the Bitcoin and the altcoins. So overall, the sentiment reflects a linearing uncertainty driven by the global macroeconomic risk and regulatory delays that too we can discuss. So, why? Because the fear dominated conditions often lead to price consolidation, or which also indicate the sharp rebounds once a confidence returns. Yeah, that is what little bit we have seen right now. Okay, so yes. Oh my God. So I can see how much positive it was. Wow. So I'm really happy to see such positivity towards the market. I hope everyone guys are just enjoying this moment actually, and who are invested again. You can see such positive. Okay, so yeah. So I think already the drop level is increasing, right? So no need to get more excitement, even though whenever we'll see the market in positive, that will we have that excitement inside, right? Because we also seen all kind of moments like beer, bull, everything. So whenever we see bull in during a live, so a very lively positive, so which makes us do it a lot. SMS, hi, welcome CEO, hi, hello, welcome all. And don't forget to follow me so that you'll get notified whenever I'm in a live stream. So you can guys can get the continuous notification while I'm streaming. Okay, so the hot topics as I start to discuss about the hot topic now. Investors right now see this phase as a buying opportunity, so because fear is 34%, so this fear they will utilize this as an opportunity, and that is what happening right now. So guys, I think you can also use this opportunity during a live itself. I'm sharing the stuffs, and you might use it actually. So um because this is an opportunity before the next bullish breakout. Yeah, so because bullish breakout is expected because of all season and upcoming rate cut is there, and from the US government they are going to buy more BTC. Sorry, they will buy more BTC, the investment is expected. So everything together we can see the market and such bull, and that's what I'm waiting for. So watching market sentiment indicators like this, I'm using the rainbow channels, which is also right now showing such good shade of color. Right now it was being with, so it's in a yellow shade, and it's also going to give the color changes when it's breakthrough on the resistance level. So this makes so easy, and also yearly reversal points that can a signal when the confidence and momentum start to rebuild across the crypto landscape. So this fear and greed index is also so useful for you whenever it's in a very lesser position. That is also we can take as a investment opportunity. Don't miss out the opportunity. Always opportunity will knock once, but this time we can see that lots and lots of opportunities to buy in a dip. We got very bigger opportunities recently. I think you guys, if Kolar missed already, still you have a chance right now. So if you're missing, and no one can do anything favor for you, so let's wait and see how the market is gonna perform. So yeah, we'll continue within a minute. So stay tuned with me. Okay, so let's move on to the next hot topic. While seeing the market in a uptrend, oh my god. So let's see how the BTC is increasing, because Ethereum itself increasing closer to 4K, right? So let's see how the BTC was performing right now. Oh my god, seriously, guys, you can see it's really shocking one. I think you guys can check out while I'm started the stream, or else a previous stream I have seen somewhere here, and it's of course US government is buying, guys. Oh my god, it's 112. It's really bigger when compared to the Ethereum. So that is the expectation we already had. Oh my goodness. So guys, just tell me what's your reaction for this big candle. I think I'm so excited. I'm so happy for this. Oh my god! Wow. So I think it's leads a all season actually. Come on, BTC, and it's a bigger moment, and whales are playing right now. So this is the place where everyone can get the big opportunity and big profit. Oh my god, that's nice. Just tell me, guys, how you can feel, because I feel so happy for the moment, and how you guys are feeling. I wanted to know how you guys are feeling, because only I have that that is the excitement, or everyone have the same kind of that is excitement. I wanted to know. um Oh my god. Oh, it's a big candle. I have never seen such a big positive candle in recent times. In a bull, I have seen in a beer. So actually, you can see here it's all the same kind of candles we have seen in a beer. But the recent times, I have never seen such big candle in a beer, bullish. Yeah. So I'm so happy for this. Okay, so let's chill with the excitement, and let's move on to the next topic. So next, institutional flows, and we can also see that the hold and the BitB record strong inflows, which is the institutional products combined, which is also continue to attract the steady capital inflows, and the hodl recorded 21.2 million dollar in a net inflows yesterday. So while BitB also added the $12.1 million, highlighting the sustained interest from large investors. So, these funds often serve as yearly indicators of institutional confidence in the long term value of a Bitcoin and the digital assets. So, despite the short term volatility, major players are gradually increasing their exposure actually. So betting on future application which aimed upcoming rate cuts and growing blockchain adoption. So the inflows also suggests that the professional investors view current price levels or attract as attractive accumulation zones, which also positioning themselves strategically before the potential policy shifts and renewed momentum across the cryptocurrency market. So the big, it's really a big, the big win actually. Willard made the position somewhere here. It's being a big win, and I think it today itself we can expect it to touch also its all time high again. But there is no surprise if it touches the all time high again. I think I can expect it to be a more positive. Let's hope for the best and we'll see. Yeah. And also I wanted to share you one more hot topic, which is Bitcoin. Which is if it's not this much positive, uh, we also have certain kind of um, things which is maybe how drop we can expect the drop. So still the liquidity injections are upcoming, but Fed decisions could also fuel another upward leg. That is what happening. So overall Bitcoin performance remains is it's really very big right now when compared to the risk assets. So it's also signaling to continue with the long term hold, that is long with the Bitcoin. So that is a suggestion for the BDC today. But taking position in this peak is not good. When you see the prices are somewhere here, if you miss here, that's no, can't do anything with the BDC because already it was reached its big level, and Ethereum is not that much positive level. Its BDC is too good actually. Yeah. So one more thing, Fed rate cut is 99.4 percentage. We have the probability in this October. So 28 or 29 between 2 days, we can see that the Fed rate cut. So the probability of a 25 base point federal reverse, that is 2.5 rate cut in October, has surged to 99.4 percentage. So according to the market data, so investors anticipate this move will provide a new liquidity and support for both equities and the cryptocurrencies, so you guys can enjoy. And lower interest rates typically reduce the cost of borrowing and encourage risk taking. So, which also often the benefits to shell asset like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, we are also positioning. Oh my god, it's lots of crackers are bursting right now. I think they're celebrating for the BTC movement. Not sure, not exactly because it's after Diwali celebration. Okay. So right. So as we are expecting the lower interest rates typically reduce the cost of borrowing and encouraging risk taking, which often benefits additional assets like cryptocurrency like BTC and Ethereum. So traders are positioning themselves as ahead of the official announcement, which are expecting a renewed inflows into the crypto market once a monetary easing begins. So, however, some of the traders or analysts or whoever, they're warning that if the Fed signals slower future cuts, that is, I'm not sure they can now slower the rate cut. But if it's happened, market could react the short-term volatility before stabilizing again. But here, because of this uptrend, I get to know the Fed rate is coming so soon. But then, 7 days, you can see that market is gonna react so good, and we also expect the bull run, big bull. Yeah. So I have one more final topic with the hot topic, which is U.S. Senate delays a crypto bill as industry pushes for progress. So the U.S. Senate's ongoing crypto market legislation has stalled again, delaying much needed regulatory clarity. So industry also executives are now preparing to meet with the Democratic lawmakers this week to discuss the pathways for advancing the bill. The lack of progress has also created uncertainty for the crypto firms operating in the US, especially regarding the stablecoins, exchange oversight, and the investor protection frameworks. So, market participants also hope that the decisions will accelerate approval and create a balanced regulatory environment. So, clearer laws could boost institutional participation, attract the innovation, and also strengthen the US position in the global digital asset economy in the months ahead. So, this end of the month is going to be big, and also upcoming months everything is going to give us such a positive thing. I hope you guys can enjoy actually. So whoever made the position in a spot, just stay calm and wait for that to react in a big bull. If you wait patiently, then you can grab the a bigger amount of profit. Yeah. So I think it was getting a higher pressure of buying, and also whales are playing, guys. So if you willing to take any position, you can also attract the positiveness from this playing. Don't miss out. Most probably this end of the October is going to be October actually. So that is that the word we all keep on saying about the October. But this is a time period. It is shown how October it was actually, and after Diwali, so immediate of Diwali, we have seen such positive, so which is a good sign of a new start. I think everyone can enjoy the start and keep on continue to watch my live every day to get to know about the market condition. I'm giving a live updates every day, so don't miss out to join every day of my live stream, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.